3D 스캐너가 더 똑똑해졌습니다. 데이터 품질은 높이고 작업 속도는 더 빠르게. 지금 바로 주식회사 티모스에 문의하세요.
Today I would like to share how the latest release of ZEISS INSPECT software makes your scanning process more efficient when using the T-Scan 2. With an expanded scanning range, adaptive resolution, continuous satellite mode, and enhanced polygonization, we've taken the scanning and inspection capabilities to the next level. Let's get into it. Let's start with the well-known satellite mode. To better adapt to your applications and movement styles, we implemented a new periodic trigger mode. Let me quickly show how it works. With this new software feature, you don't have to trigger the picture manually anymore. Once the trigger is pushed, we take the pictures continuously. All that's left to do is to move the sensor over the part. Thanks to continuous satellite mode, you never miss to capture reference points. This method will significantly increase the ease of performing satellite measurements, especially around big and complicated parts. Having said that, you still get to choose between the standard manual or periodic mode depending on your own preferences. The next update is the extended measurement volume. With this upgrade, you tremendously decrease the number of reference points needed to capture your part, which saves time and manual effort during the inspection process. Beyond that, the extended measurements volume allows you to scan larger areas from greater distances quickly and accurately. In this example, you see the difference between the standard and extended measurement volume. As you can tell, with the extended measuring volume option, I'm able to keep reference points at a minimum while scanning this large part way faster. To scan fine details, we've made it even easier for you to set the right resolution. With ZEISS INSPECT Software 26, we are introducing adaptive resolution, a cutting-edge feature that automatically adjusts the resolution based on the characteristics of the part. This ensures that you always achieve the perfect scan. Now that the component is fully scanned, let's take a look at the polygonization process. Lastly, we'll create a complete mesh from the scanned data. Our polygonization process is now simplified with only 2 relevant options. This makes choosing the right mesh creation straightforward. The entire process can be conveniently operated from the sensor. The best thing about it? You're keeping the fast calculation time. That's all for this session. As you have seen, there are numerous updates for your T-Scan 2 with ZEISS INSPECT Software 26, which will improve your application in terms of speed and data accuracy. For more how-tos, getting started, product updates, or any other question regarding metrology, please visit handsonmetrology.com. You will find the link in the information section of this video. Thanks for watching and have fun scanning with your T-Scan 2.